Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. I am so excited. We are back in Westwood. We are right next door to the house we finished a few months ago, but this one is going to be bigger and better. It's going to be crazy, all the stuff we're doing. We got a tree that's huge, 90 feet tall, that we're bringing down just to make room for the addition and the new garage. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos, but this one is going to be crazy. We're going to have videos from the start to the finish on this one again. You'll get to see every part of it. So I hope you guys check us out. I hope you enjoy some of the videos and look for a lot more coming your way real soon. Thanks for checking us out.